Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Okay, we have 4 packs of Mega Dream, but Thailand version. Okay, so we're in. We're in Thailand.
Energy.
Energy. Okay, I will let them choose. Then we will have a pack battle. Okay.
Okay.
So, choose first.
Pick one.
Pick one.
I'm gonna pick this.
Alright, so
Let's open.
Open it.
the rarest is that one, Dragonite. And we have Pikachu.
Okay.
So, open this. Yes.
Dapat malinis. Ano ba kayo? Ano ba to?
Yeah, pwede naman i-edit na. Okay, what I have here, my Raklu, Daskal, Manikan, Spiritomb, okay. Oh, I have a hit, which is Miss Reverse. See the art?
Oh, wow.
This is a rare one. And Cellular GX. Yeah. That's it. Walang translation sa ano. Pero dapat, if you have a special design, that's a, what we call hit. It's a rare card.
Okay.
Tapos, baba. Hindi tayo po.
Sabay na tayo.
Sige na lang po.
Okay, you have a hit. Which is si Charizard. Okay. Yung design, kakaiba. Yeah, the design is different. Yeah. Okay. Okay, how about
Hindi
you?
tawag?
It's a hit.
This one.
Okay. Sora. Okay. Charcadet. Rio. Togekiss.
Okay.
Ups, something ship. Oh yeah! OLDT! Salucho! Oh, congratulations! You have it. Okay, Halucha. And Hand Summer. Okay,
Last
Sacred
one.
Ash.
Okay.
Hindi lahat kayo may hita. Nakaka-press
So,
card
Oh,
ako.
nakaka-pressure.
Cute.
Yeah. Okay?
Ako naman next. Si
Diglett.
Si
Kirlia. That's Kirlia. Okay, Lumel.
Mel. And
King Gambit. Oh, ayun na. Ayun yung Kilowatt Rail. Okay. You have a Pokeball. Duskull. Ah, wow! That's a hit also. That's a full art. Okay. And Gangmega.
ano?
Okay, your hit is the PPF. This one is a special one. This one is a special one. It's a playable card. It's in hollow
Kapag
foil.
yung
Hollow foil.
ito din
Yeah,
ay
kinikinang. Shiny. So that's it.
check natin kung magkano.
So in Thailand, we're lucky we have hits. Okay.
Per pack.
Yeah, per
Sa
pack.
Philippines kasi mga 4 na packs na eh.
Dito sir. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Tapos hindi pala na-record.
Ay, wait, di nga.